Dear students and learners, welcome back to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. So in this video lecture I am going to show you answers of all the questions based on mind mapping given in the question bank of English provided by SCRT on 15th March. All questions on mind mapping are solved in this particular video lecture. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it now. I am your digital teacher, Professor Hina Kausar. Before solving the question, let's see the assessment criteria or distribution of marks for this particular question. Question of mind mapping will come in your board examination of English subject on question number 2C. Question number 2A is based on unseen passage. Question number 2B is based on summary of the given unseen passage, and in question number 2C you will have question of mind mapping. This question will be there in your board examination for 3 marks, and these 3 marks are divided into 2 parts. First part is logical flow of ideas or thoughts or concepts will give you 2 marks, and presentation of your answer will provide you 1 mark. Total 3 marks you will have. Let's start with the first question given in the question bank of English. First question is develop a mind mapping frame or design using your ideas or thoughts or concepts to illustrate or develop on the given effects of music. So the topic is effects of music. Your main topic is effects of music, and you have to develop a mind map based on this particular topic. So let's see effects of music on 2 things: career opportunities and effects of music on body. Let's see this answer clockwise. You see on right hand side of your screen career opportunities. Career opportunities has branches like industrialist, singer, businessman, artist, dancer, music director. And effects of music on body has 2 branches, main branches. First one is inside the body and second one is outside the body. Inside the body has effects on brain. Brain has 3 effects like treat mental illness, improve memory, regulate emotion. Inside the body has another 2 effects. Effects of music change your mood and manage pain. Outside the body has different effects of music like body awareness, feeling of relaxation, longer workouts, boosts exercise, improve sleep, weight management, and change behavior. So in this way you need to prepare a mind map of effects of music. Now let's see another question. Question is develop a mind map frame or design using your ideas or thoughts or concepts to illustrate, develop on the topic benefits of English language. So the main topic is benefits of English language. Benefits of English language has 4 main branch. First one is lingua franca. I'm sure you must know English is known as lingua franca. Career opportunities. Third is medium of communication, and last one is entertainment. If you think lingua franca is difficult to remember, just skip it. You can write 3 benefits of English language like career opportunities, medium of communication, and entertainment. So lingua franca has branches like science, medicine, law, business, engineering. And benefits of English language has career opportunities like diplomatic services, computer operator, travel and tourism, professor, interpreter. Medium of communication has another small branches like written, language of internet, international trade and commerce, global language and spoken. And last is entertainment. Entertainment has another 5 branches: music, drama, songs, movies, literature. Let's see another question. Question number 3. India is a vast country with different weather patterns. Prepare a mind map on the seasons we have in our region by giving examples of different activities that we do in different seasons. So the main topic is the seasons. And as you know, there are 3 main seasons we have in India: summer, winter and rainy season. But the thing is, if you read the question again, you can see India is a very vast country. It means you have to mention festivals, duration, clothes and fruits, climate and crops we get in particular season. So let's start with summer season. So summer season has 2 festivals, Holi and Gudi Padwa, and the duration of summer season is from February to May. And last branch is climate of summer season is dry and hot. Crops we have in summer season are jawar and bajra. Climate of winter season is cold and dry. Crops we have in winter season are gram and wheat. Climate of rainy season is cool and fresh. Crops we have rainy season in rice and sunflower. Okay, so that's all about the seasons. Let's see another question. Question number 4. Develop a mind map on beauty of colors. So the main topic is beauty of colors. 3 main branches are there. Let's see clockwise. First is nature, then symbolism in colors, and last one is career opportunities. If you find symbolism in color is difficult for you to remember, you can simply skip and you can write the 2 main branches of beauty of colors. First one is nature and last one is career opportunities. Okay, now let's see nature. Nature has 5 main branches: ocean, hills, leaves, sky, trees. And you can write different colors, like trees have green color, sky has blue, leaves has green color, hills has brown and ocean has blue color, in that way. Now let's see symbolism in colors. Symbolism in colors you must have learned it in your high school. The easiest way to remember it is the shortest form, VIBGOR. V means violet, I means indigo, B means blue, G means green, Y means yellow, and R means red. So violet has 4 things: imagination, it shows imagination, spirituality, dreams and future. Indigo shows devotion, justice, creativity and hope. Blue symbolizes responsibility, sorrow, relaxation and strength. Green has 4 branches: growth, harmony, stability and beginnings. Yellow has 4 branches: calm, happiness, positivity and hope. And red color shows love, fire, danger, passion. Last main branch is career. Orange is also there. Orange has 4 another branches. Career opportunities: painter, businessman, artist and interior decorator. So that's all about beauty of colors. Let's see another question of mind mapping, and the main topic is forms of communication. So remember, there are 2 main branches of forms of communication. First one is based on form and second one is based on relationships. So when we see based on forms, we have 2 main branches. First one is non-verbal and second one is verbal. Non-verbal branch has another 5 small branches: posture, touch, eye contact, hand movement, and facial expression. Non-verbal is opposite to verbal communication. And as you know, verbal communication has two main branches: oral and written communication. Oral has Zoom, mobile, skip. And written communication or written form of communication has four small branches: emails, letters, memos, and report. Now, based on relationship, we have two more main branches: formal branch and informal branch. Formal branch of communication has four things: meetings, publications, documents, legal notice. Informal branch of communication based on relationship has four small branches: electronic mails, text messages to family, phone call with friend, and personal conversation. So that's all about forms of communication. Hope you have got whatever I have taught you in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am your digital teacher, Professor Hina Kausar, and if you have any question related to this particular video lecture, or if you have any question related to your syllabus and question paper, you can ask me in the comment box of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel now. Thank you so much.